Let's start by doing an unboxing of the Zen Creative Hybrid over-ear headphones. As you can see, they are there. Nice packaging as well. A bit about the kind of the noise cancellation that actually happens, and a bit more some of the key features about it, which we're going to talk about as we go through it. So let's not wait any longer. Let's jump in and open the box and take a look out of them. So start with here are the headphones. We've also got in the box, we've also got the USB cable, a adapter as well, so you can listen to it wired, and a warranty as well, which is good. It's nice to see this as well. It doesn't normally come in all the headphones these days. I'll put that to the side. Start by looking at the headphones. Now, the first thoughts are they look very, very plush, so they feel very nice in the hand. So you've got the PLU, basically fake leather there, and it feels really nice and comfortable too. You've got the headband there, which is adjustable, as you can see, so you can do different heights. You've got the earbuds as well that swivel as well. So you can swivel depending on how you want them to fit. And yeah, they feel really, really nice quality as well up front. They don't feel too heavy, but you can feel they've got quality within them too, which is really, really nice. So let's go have a look at some of the key features about it. So over here, they've got the 40mm drivers built into the speakers there. So it gives rich and powerful audio and exceptional audio clarity through there. The foldable earbuds as well, they fold right up so you can pack them nice and easily. They also have got Bluetooth 5.0 connectivity, so it means good, strong Bluetooth connection. And as you can see, it's got an ANC button there as well. Now, these have hybrid noise cancelling too, which is really good. It means it will adapt to the noise of the environment that you're in. They also have the ambient wear as well, which is good. So if you're walking along and you don't want to you want to be able to hear the surrounds, press ambient aware and it comes on too. Turn it off and on there. You can do your volume there as well. That's for the plug to plug it into. And obviously there's USB-C charging there as well. Now the great thing with these as well is they have up to 27 hours playtime as well on a single charge. Now that's very, very good battery life actually. It's quite impressive. So they work really well. As you can see there's a bit more about the design about the back. It kind of goes through what it does. It's got super fit technology there. Now what this does is basically use the computational audio to personalize headphone experience based on you hear the sound. So that's really good. I can't wait to test those out and show you guys exactly how that works too. And there's the logo there as well. So feel very, very nice. Look like good headphones as well. As I said, I can't wait to test these out and show you guys exactly what they're like.